Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to clear videos you have watched on Facebook. So I will show the step-by-step process of clearing your watched video on Facebook. It should work on your Android as well as iOS device. So first of all you have to go to your Facebook apps. Then you have to click on three line on the top right corner. From here you will get the setting and privacy option. From here you have to click on settings. Then you have to scroll down and click on activity log. From here you have to click on filters. Then you have to click on categories. From here you have to click on this drop down option. From here you will see the videos you have watched option. You have to click on that, get this option. From here if you click on the right side three dot option, then this delete option will come. From here if you delete this, then this video you have watched has cleared from your watched history. So in this way you can clear videos you have watched on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.